Hello my friends, today I want to show you how to use a weed eater, and you might think, oh, it's kind of self-explanatory. I have a trick for you which can help you. Okay, so one is you need to get it started. So there may be like a bulb here which you may need to press. You need to have it on start, and I highly recommend having a set of glasses. Highly. You may want to get some ear protection. Maybe I'll do another video on mixing the fuel for it. But yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. So this right here, it's kind of long. Now, for me, typically I like to cut it lower than what you would normally probably cut it. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to go ahead and show you a little cool trick here. So let's put on start, hold this thing down, put my glasses on. Alright, I just did the string, so I just replaced the string. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to go ahead and show you about cutting this. Now, know that you can also edge with the weed eater too by going like this. By holding it like this and edging on the sidewalk. But over here, watch it. The thing spins. See, it spins this way, right? It spins this way. So if I go like this, then I can blow this stuff right on me. So what I want to do is I want to blow this stuff away from me. So if it's spinning this way, get it? Then what you do is you turn it like here. So it goes like so. And you want to blow it away. Now I did burn there a little bit there. But so basically as you're weed eating, you just kind of want to have it, hold it slightly sideways, right? Let's go ahead and start. There's like a little dip here. It kind of goes down a little bit. So it's longer right here. So if you care about that, you may want to. And if you're really concerned about making it look level, you might want to hold it like this. But if you don't want the stuff to go on you, so it may be a switch between kind of doing it this way and turning slightly. When you do a mower, when you're using a lawnmower, you might have a pretty easy, consistent height. But with this, you're in control. So you kind of, when you do it, you may want to kind of step back and be like, okay, does that look good? And maybe touch it more. Now for me, I kind of want this more short than more long, so I won't have to. It'll say like I won't have to do it as much. So I don't really care if it's like extra short, but some people may care. it may really be important if you're in this kind of a stuff that you don't get this like stuff on you. So you really may want to especially try to point it the other way. Now I can kind of look at it and be like, okay, is there anything that needs touched up? There's some dirt there. Woo! Okay, so it looks like there's a little bit of some taller grass here. Maybe there's one, maybe a little bit here, a little bit here, here, and here. And so you can just kind of walk around and be like, okay, what do I need to touch up? Might touch this up. Maybe do a little bit of work around here. So actually, you know, for some of this time, I may have been even doing kind of more like flat, which might help you to have a smoother thing. But when you're in some of that other stuff, like you don't really want like maybe sticks or mulch or something like flying in your face. So it's something to think about. So do it like this. So let me go ahead and turn it on and go ahead and start. Maybe I'll do some stuff across the street, let you see some more grass weed eating. So guys, remember you can do edging with the weed eater, like if you want to edge the street. Or like a sidewalk, you can do edging. Maybe you want to go backwards. Maybe you want to go forwards. Just know that it may be wearing your line down. You might need a bump to get some more line. So come here. You might not want that, especially that kind of stuff on you, so you really might, it doesn't really care if it's super level, and you might want to turn it. on your style. You might want to be kind of do little strokes. For me, I like to do bigger stuff. If you see something you don't like let's say you don't like a weed or something, you might want to go like this. Like so. Demolish. Go. I'm kind of doing those like different things. I'm kind of going fast, and you really might not be okay with that. And if you just want to go slow, that's okay. If you want to go backwards, whatever, frontwards, whatever, just be safe, do what you do. That guy's had a weedie. Like the video, let me know. Consider subscribing, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified. I do all kinds of videos. I love you. God loves you. God bless you. You are amazing. And someone by the name of Sarah, God wants to have a relationship with you. He loves you. Thank you guys. Bye.